Calibration the digital dissolved oxygen sensor. First, clean the electrode head with the distilled water. Dry the electrode head with paper. Put the sensor into the oxygen-free water, shake it gently. Open the calibration software. Wait for the value to be stable before performing zero calibration. Select Function, Calibration Function, Zero Calibration. Input the value 0 to calibration value, then click Send. Function call succeeded will appear in the lower left corner. The zero calibration is completed. Take out the sensor and clean it with distilled water. Dry the electrode head with paper. Put vertically the sensor in the air for slope calibration. Wait for the value to be stable before performing slope calibration. Select Function, Calibration Function, Slope Calibration. Input the value of 0 to calibration value, then click Send. The program will calculate the current value of dissolved oxygen in the air based on the temperature. When you see the function call succeeded, the calibration is completed. Take out the sensor and clean it with distilled water. Dry the electrode head.